How to use Rocket Lawyer Last Will Online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Creating a Last Will Online with Rocket Lawyer seems quick, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, invalid documents, or missed wishes. The first mistake is not naming backup executors. Many users name a single executor and assume it's sufficient. Life is unpredictable, so always name an alternate executor to ensure your estate is managed smoothly. Another common error is vague asset descriptions. Simply writing all personal property can lead to ambiguity. Specify key assets like real estate, bank accounts, or family heirlooms to prevent confusion. Many people forget to account for guardianship of minors. If you have children, failing to appoint a guardian in your will can leave decisions to the court. Clearly state your choice and backup options. Skipping proper execution is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer provides instructions for signing and witnessing, but neglecting steps like notarization in certain states can invalidate the will. Follow all local requirements exactly. Finally, some assume an online will never needs updating. Life changes, marriages, divorces, new children, or significant asset shifts can require revisions. Regularly review and update your will. To use Rocket Lawyer Last Will Online properly, name backup executors, describe assets clearly, appoint guardians, follow execution steps precisely, and update regularly. Avoid these mistakes, and your will protect your loved ones and reflect your true intentions.